Guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a watermelon juice for you guys today. Quick and simple, probably 3-4 ingredients. So we got some watermelon, piece of ginger, and I got the juice from a lemon and a lime in here. And that's all I'm going to need. Alright, a little bit of water if needed, but yeah. Alright, so let's get cutting our watermelon real quick. I'm going to cut our melon down there. Alright. We make sure that we keep Alright, let's get as much out of it as you can. The closer you go, the juicier this is what it's get. Alright, so we got everything cut up for the most part. Alright, we're going to start by adding our ginger. Add our lime and lemon juice. If you got liquid ginger, feel free to use it also. Some people will use honey or sugar in this recipe, but I'm just going with the natural, fresh watermelon. Make sure these are seedless, guys. You don't have no seeds in these. And if your watermelon have seeds, you could just pick them out. It's just going to be more time consuming. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to blend this all the way. Add a little bit of water just to help with the process. Wasn't needed, but sometimes I like my juice to be, I like a lot of juice. So we're just going to go ahead and blend that. Cover that, get them on the blender. And what we're going to do, I'm going to bring them closer. What we're going to do now, we're going to put that on liquefy, let it go. So that way we get Alright, after a good blend, I'm going to grab a strainer. I'm going to grab our mason jar with some ice. Alright, and we're just going to go ahead and strain some of this off. Just gonna go ahead and pour. Nice. See all that nice juice. Alright guys, and that's it. Nice refreshing watermelon juice. Just gonna go ahead now and seal these. Keep these in your fridge. A nice cold day. I'm over to go outside now, mow the lawn. Hot is like 100 degrees outside right now, so this will definitely help. Alright guys, so that's how you make nice refreshing watermelon juice, natural. You guys see what was added. Alright, all natural stuff, ginger, lemon juice, water, that's it. So yeah, subscribe guys, check it out. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these natural videos, natural juices, so just stick around.